A 6,000 yuan broken car costs 100,000 to repair. The sentimental old car given to the father-in-law surprisingly connected with each for a high price of just 1,000 yuan. The team will take 8 minutes to challenge transforming a 5-owner scrap car into gold. Will the refurbished result be seen through by the father-in-law? Let's wait and see. First, completely disassemble the vehicle. Disassemble the dashboard frame.
Disassemble the parts and clean them by category.
Thoroughly wash the car body.
Before trunk cleaning, after trunk cleaning, before engine bay cleaning, after engine bay cleaning, before body cleaning, after body cleaning, body paint removal.
How deep? Completely remove the paint to the metal before repainting. The paint will last longer and won't crack.
Sand the car body to restore it to the natural color of the aluminum body. Restoring uneven and unclear old paint surfaces.
Spray 2 coats of epoxy primer to prevent oxidation and corrosion. Sand the primer to remove particles and impurities. Spray 2 coats of intermediate primer. Sand the intermediate primer to improve the adhesion of the color paint.
Mix the Rolls-Royce German imported 05 water-based paint.
Water-based paint is more stable compared to oil-based paint, not only environmentally friendly, but also more scratch-resistant. Finally, use the imported silver-based clear coat spray gun. High transparency clear coat not only better protects the color paint but also has good hardness, increasing the paint's wear resistance.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.